Looking for the best mini sewing machines in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top compact sewing machines you can buy right now for beginners, travel, and quick home repairs. These mini sewing machines are lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for DIY projects. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. SnowVoice Handheld Sewing Machine. The SnowVoice Handheld Sewing Machine for Beginners is a compact and portable device designed for quick repairs, DIY projects, and home crafting. It features a rechargeable battery for cordless convenience and comes with an LCD display for easy operation and settings control. With 3 speed settings, users can adjust the stitching speed based on their skill level and project needs. This mini sewing machine is ideal for mending clothes, small fabric repairs, and creative sewing tasks, making it a practical choice for beginners and casual users. The complete set includes essential accessories to help you get started right away. Number 2. Crazyboy Handheld Sewing Machine. The Crazyboy Handheld Sewing Machine offers a unique and convenient sewing experience designed with portability and ease of use in mind. It comes in a compact storage box and travel-friendly package, making it ideal for use at home or on the go. This mini sewing machine is perfect for quick repairs, DIY projects, and emergency stitching needs. It also includes various accessories and tools, providing everything needed to get started right away. Lightweight and easy to operate, it is a practical solution for beginners, travelers, and anyone who needs a simple sewing tool for everyday fabric repairs. Number 3. AXE YAMAZAKI MM-10 Sewing Machine. The AXE YAMAZAKI MM-10 sewing machine is a small, portable, and super lightweight device designed especially for beginners and everyday quick sewing tasks. Designed in Japan, it focuses on simplicity, reliability, and ease of use, making it suitable for basic stitching, minor repairs, and DIY projects. Its compact size makes it highly convenient for travel or as a secondary mini sewing machine at home. Despite its small form factor, it delivers practical performance for light fabrics and simple sewing needs, making it a handy choice for beginners and casual users. Number 4. Lastempa Portable. The Lastempa Portable Tabletop Beginner Mini Sewing Machine is designed for simple and convenient home use, making it perfect for quick repairs, DIY crafts, and basic clothing alterations. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit easily on any tabletop while remaining easy to store and carry. Built with beginners in mind, it offers straightforward controls for smooth operation and hassle-free stitching. This mini sewing machine is ideal for learning basic sewing skills or handling small household projects. With its attractive blue design, it also makes a thoughtful and practical gift for beginners and craft enthusiasts. Number 5. SINGER MX60 is a lightweigh. The SINGER MX60 is a lightweight and portable sewing machine designed for beginners and everyday sewing tasks, making it ideal for crafts, mending, and simple garment projects. It comes with an accessory kit and a foot pedal for easy and flexible control while sewing. With 57 built-in stitch applications and a 4-step buttonhole feature, it offers versatility for different sewing needs. The built-in LED light helps improve visibility for more precise stitching, even in low light conditions. Compact and user-friendly, the SINGER MX60 is a practical choice for home use and learning basic sewing skills. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. All product links are in the description below, check them out.